Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Ivan Santiago, your Central Florida Realtor. I'm in Sunbridge, this community of Sunbridge. This is particularly called Weslyn Park. There are lots of builders in here, and the builder that I'm going to highlight today is Pulte Homes. I've done their product in other communities prior, and this is the first time that I will highlight them in this community. This particular floor plan behind me is a two-story. It's very nice. It's a rear entry garage. So in these types of homes, you will have like an alleyway or a small street behind the home so that you can access and park your car there. And it creates this nice feel on the front side where you have inviting sidewalks to walk. And I mean, you have parking on the street. So it's a different kind of feel for this community. This particular home is roughly around 2,900 square feet. And before I go any further, if you could just take a quick second to like and subscribe down below, that would do a great thing for the channel to help get more content like this out to you and everyone else so they can find this. So you can see this beautiful porch behind me with the swing. Let's go ahead and take a tour. Hey, welcome back from that tour. Very nice home as always. They're always nice homes, but this is a nice, different style. You've got the rear entry garage, and what it creates is an area in between the garage and the home that's kind of like your patio, breezeway type of feel. So you can see right behind me they have some patio chairs with like a little gas fireplace, nothing that'll set your house on fire. And then you have this nice little dining table that they set up. You can come and play cards or something, eat out on a cool evening with your friends and family. So very nice, different style of home. There's tons of different styles that this builder, Pulte, that they have designed and they are building in this community. So if you want more information on this product or any other homes that I've shown on the channel, my information is down below like always. You can feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. But also call me, text me, shoot me an email, reach out. I'm here to be your resource in the Central Florida area. I'd love to help you and your family. Thanks a lot, as always, for your support, and I will see you on the next video.